Most beginners don't lose money because trading bots don't work. They lose money because they choose the wrong one. In 2026, there are hundreds of AI trading bots promising automation, passive income, and smart money strategies. But here's the truth. Choosing a trading bot is not about picking the most popular one. It's about picking the one that matches your capital, your risk tolerance, and your level of experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right trading bot as a beginner, without hype, without gambling, and without unrealistic expectations. Let's break it down. Why most people pick the wrong bot? Most beginners choose based on YouTube high return screenshots, affiliate promotions, top 5 bots, lists. That's backwards. Instead of asking, which bot makes the most money, you should ask, what kind of trader am I? Are you low risk? Long term? Short term? Crypto only? Stock market? $100 account or $10,000 account? The wrong match creates frustration. The right match creates consistency. Step 1. Understand the type of bot. There are 4 main categories. 1. Grid bots, best for sideways markets. Low complexity, beginner friendly. 2. Trend following bots. Ride momentum. Work better in strong up or down trends. 3. Arbitrage bots. Advanced, lower spreads, requires understanding of exchanges. 4. AI adaptive bots. Use machine learning to adjust strategies dynamically. If you're new, don't start with complex systems. Start simple. Step 2. Capital size matters. If you only have $100 to $500, avoid bots that require constant rebalancing. Avoid high leverage. Focus on capital preservation. If you have larger capital, risk management becomes even more important. Drawdown control matters more than ROI screenshots. A good bot should allow position sizing, allow stop-loss rules, allow manual override. If it doesn't, walk away. Step 3. Risk before profit. Before choosing a bot, check maximum historical drawdown, fee structure, exchange security, transparency, user control level. Ask yourself, if this bot drops 20%, will I panic? If the answer is yes, it's not the right bot for you. AI is powerful, but risk management is what protects you. Step 4. Backtesting and AMP expectations. Backtests are not guarantees. Markets change. Volatility changes. Liquidity changes. The right mindset is, bots are assistants, not money machines. You still need discipline, monitoring, realistic expectations. The goal is not get rich. The goal is consistency plus controlled risk. That's how you invest better with the power of AI. Final summary. To choose the right trading bot in 2026. 1. Know your risk profile. 2. Understand the bot category. 3. Protect capital first. 4. Ignore hype. 5. Think long term. If you want a beginner-friendly roadmap for using AI tools responsibly, including trading and non-trading methods, I've linked a full guide below. Remember, AI doesn't replace thinking. It enhances structured decision-making. Invest better with the power of AI. And I'll see you in the next video.